Finally, the long rains are back, and so is the grass. So I set out to get some grass for this project. Tough, mature grass will help you achieve the best results. You also want to get the longest grass available. In this case, the longest grass was about 120 to 130 centimeters long. You also want to have enough for your project. So I checked to see if this will be enough, and maybe that first batch will be enough just to create one. And I need to create two, so I went ahead and continued plucking more grass so that I have enough for the entire project. So now I'm back at my workshop. Here is the broom that I got the inspiration from. I bought it from Diani, and it was about 1 meter long. You can see already it's worn, and that's the guide that I'm going to be using for this broom. Now you want to begin by subdividing your grass collection according to your desired weight of your broom. How thick do you want your broom to be? And that is what I did. I put one batch aside and I began working on the first batch. So start by shaking off the excess soil. And then the next step, now we are going to trim off the roots so that we have a clean end of the grass. And also in this case, I went ahead and separated them in smaller batches so that it makes it easier for me to cut off the roots. Once all the ends are cut clean, now we want to start to clean out the dried grass from the bottom so that we are left with clean stalks that now we can join together into a broom. You want to ensure that all your grass is on the same level. This is achieved by hitting it against a flat surface. And we go to the next stage, which is now binding. In this case, I'm using an elastic rubber gotten from a bicycle tube. This works best. So begin by placing it at an angle and holding it with your index finger and using your other hand to tightly bring it round the grass batch. And once you've done 2 rounds, it holds the first rubber piece. And now you can go on and go round and round, tightening the batch and holding it firmly together. This will act as the handle and also the first point of attachment. After you've done 15 to 20 centimeters, this is the time now to do the final knot. Insert a stake just before your final knot, and then you're going to round that rubber onto the other side, and then we are going to lift the stake and hook the rubber and pull it in the opposite direction so that we hold it in place. I went ahead and tied the broom at 2 different locations, spaced between 15 to 20 centimeters. This is to ensure strength or to make the broom stronger and more sturdier. And finally, you want to trim those ends for that clean finish. Thank you so much for watching. My hope is that you learned something new today about making a broom out of grass. It's free, it's fun, and it's sustainable. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.